Hi there, I'm Dr. Noel Nelson, and it's my pleasure to share a few thoughts with you today, some uplifting, inspiring, and practical tips to help you find greater happiness and success in your life. Today's topic, short-term gain versus long-term pain. You have so much going on between the job, the kids, the dentist, the car, that you keep putting off balancing your checkbook, and then wham, you bounce 13 checks in a row. Or you have a fling with a perfectly delightful person who told you up front they had a problem with alcohol, but you ended up falling in love, and now 3 years later you are in a committed relationship you don't know how to get out of with an alcoholic you resent. Or you took the job because the pay was decent and the boss was so eager to hire you. They seemed to think you were God walking, and boy, did that feel good. But now, after only 3 months, the boss is after you all the time. You can't seem to do anything right, and you wonder, maybe you should have paid more attention to the extremely high turnover rate in this company before you took the job. Now, the one thing these three apparently different situations have in common is a failure to look at long-term consequences, which all too often leads to long-term pain. We are a fast food, do it now, get up and go society, and although that approach to life has propelled us into many successes, it has also cost us dearly in the long haul. So, balance your initiative and go-get-'em enthusiasms with careful thought as to where your decisions and choices are likely to lead you. For example, if you think through, just for a moment, the consequences of not balancing your checkbook for a couple of months, you'll quickly realize that the likelihood of bouncing checks is very good, which in turn will cost you check charges, inconvenience, and possibly embarrassment. So make your decision regarding checkbook balance and taking long-term consequences into account. Or if you meet someone you're attracted to and think, oh, I'll just have a fling, think that through carefully. Can you just have a fling? Or do you tend to get emotionally involved with everyone you get sexually involved with? Look at the long-term consequences of your own character and tendencies. Factor that into your decision-making. If the person lets you know up front they have a problem with alcohol, think about what that means for you long-term. Don't stick your head in the sand, ostrich style, and pretend it won't matter, or love will conquer all. It does matter, and love doesn't conquer all. Think about it, as in, is this okay with me? How will this behavior impact my life? Is this something I can handle? Now, in 2 years, 5 years, 20? Look honestly at the long-term consequences. It will greatly assist you in making the right decision for you. Or, lastly, if there's a high turnover rate in a company you're interested in working for, well, don't ignore it. Don't allow yourself to be charmed out of paying attention to such a valuable warning. Look into it. What does it say for you long-term? Then make your decision based on your best assessment of those long-term consequences. Don't let life just happen to you. Although there are no guarantees, and life is assuredly full of surprises, by making well-thought-out decisions, you'll greatly increase your opportunities for happiness. Thank you for listening to Up, and check out my latest book, Phoenix Rising, Surviving Catastrophic Loss, Fires, Floods, Hurricanes, and Tornadoes. If you'd like more uplifting, inspiring, practical tips and techniques, please visit my website, noelnelson.com, or take a look at my Meet the Amazings Facebook page. Until next time, be well and take care.